Well, welcome back to the channel, my friends. Now, we all know that bug bounty hunting on Hackerone can be challenging, right? And you might be wondering, how the heck is everybody finding these vulnerabilities so quickly? Well, today I'm going to take you behind the scenes on a bug bounty adventure. And we're going to be covering everything from reconnaissance to exploitation. And we'll be using tools like SHODAN, OWASP Zap, NUCLEI, and SQLMAP, just to name a few. All while staying in scope on Hackerone. So go ahead and grab your bug bounty backpack, pack yourself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, kiss your dog goodbye, and get ready to embark on an adventure like nobody else has. These are the real secrets. So we all know that SHODAN is an advanced search engine for identifying exposed devices and services on the internet, right? So for this bug bounty hunt, our focus is going to be on a top level domain within the Department of Defense scope on Hackerone. Now, I wrote this Python script to automate our SHODAN queries and focuses on .mil domains. So with this script, I collected around 1,200 domains for us to work with, but we could have easily gathered 75,000 results. And this is what the output search would look like for our reconnaissance. So from here, we're going to do some directory scanning, and we're going to use OWASP Zap to help us out with that. And what we're focused on is the spider crawl feature to discover hidden directories and input fields across the domains we gathered from earlier. So once the spider crawl finishes, we then export the list of identified directories and URLs for further testing. And this is what we're expecting our output directory discovery to look like. Now it's time to run NUCLEI, one of my favorite tools. And here's the command we're going to be using to run a vulnerability scan against our domains. And just like that, we found a time-based SQL injection vulnerability. This means the server delays its response based on our SQL queries, and this can be exploited to extract sensitive data from the database. So let's move into the next phase of our bug bounty hunt workflow, exploitation. So now it's time to use SQLMAP to take advantage of the SQL injection vulnerability that we found earlier. And the command we'll run is pretty simple. It'll allow us to test and potentially exploit the SQL injection. So this is the command we're going to run, and from this is our expected output. So SQLMAP confirms that parameter is vulnerable to a Boolean-based blind SQL injection. And we also found out that the backend database is IBM DB2. So from here, SQLMAP suggests further exploitation, such as retrieving the database names or dumping the tables. And this is the command we're going to run, and this is the expected output. Many domains use WAFs, web application firewalls. And this WAF is blocking SQL injection attempts by returning a 403 forbidden error. So to try to bypass the WAF, we can use tamper scripts that obfuscate the SQL queries. And here's the command we're gonna run with the tamper scripts. And here is our expected output. Make sure to include your detailed steps to reproduce screenshots and any logs from the tools you used. We walk through a full bug bounty workflow in under 10 minutes, from SHODAN recon to a custom Python script to OWASP Zap spidering, NUCLEI scanning, and SQLMAP exploitation. Now, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments section, guys. Find me out there on Discord. And until the next video, I'll see you out there on the hunt.